These are a set of trim tabs that I bought a while ago for a project that I had in mind to do and decided not to. They're 12 by 12 Insta trim tabs, hydraulic trim tab. And they work pretty good. Pretty nice quick trim tab. Both at once. So that's about all for now. Have a good one, folks.